Okay, so now that we've got the trailer hooked up on the Jeep, we just got to get another blanket, and I believe that's it. I've already got the cooler. I meant to show y'all guys that, but the dang GoPro battery was dead. So, got it hooked up. You know, 2-inch hitch receiver. You know, got the 2-inch ball. Extended the trailer tongue a little bit. Helps with backing up and articulation. Always make sure you got your safety chains. I like to cross them. It just makes it more secure. Got all the balance beams and drill in there because there's actually balance beams and help you make it level, because I actually have levels on here too. So this actually is a old military trailer that we've bed lined. We've redone the axles, new leaf springs, new wheels, new tires. This is a truck bed roof rack for a Jeep Gladiator. We've cut it and adjusted it so it fits to the trailer. And then, you know, we got our Overland pop-up tent. I love this tent. I believe it's the 2.0. We also have a canopy that you can get from Pep Boys. It was like $100. It just, you know, you undo the zipper, folds right out. These two arms will actually go up quite high, like 10 feet. Got all our storage containers. We actually overpack for about a week, but we're only staying 2 nights. Got the heaters because it's going to be cold. Got a sink right there, fold out sink. Got the cooler. I got a bunch of food, bunch of drinks, about 40 pounds of ice. Full toolbox, jump starter, tire inflator, bunch of blankets, pillows, first aid kit, all the fluids for the vehicle in case it wants to throw up. Probably need to put a little bit of a lift on it because we're gonna have to be careful going on some bumps because it's gonna bottom out. But it did good. I filled it up. Takes about $35 right now to fill it up. But besides that, we're pretty good. Love these tires. Look at these tires, man. They still got the little new nubs on them. I don't even think we put 100 miles on this trailer yet. But we are about to go to Paris Mountain State Park. It's about a 30-minute drive because, you know, we go slow. We're not in a rush. And then once we get there, I'm going to B-roll and show y'all how it goes. So I am super glad about this GoPro. I got it on the Black Friday sale. It's a GoPro Hero 8 Black, and you get 3 batteries, a case, and the fast charger, the fast dual charger. It was $250, and plus with my girlfriend's discount because she works at Walmart, I think it was like $240, $235. So it was super good. So hopefully we can videotape more now. I'll have to keep up to date on the audio. If not, I'll have to get a little microphone for it. But there it is. We're all ready. That says 88 feet. It's easily gonna go around a 9-foot long, 6-foot wide trailer. Baby, do the math. Do the math. So we're trying to figure out the light setup since we got it all set up. We got some battery powered Christmas lights that are multicolored. They're on like a
LED.
Yeah, they're LED. They're on a little spool. And then we also got a whole bunch of these Ozark Trail tumbler camping light, 100 lumens, and I don't think they're all activated yet, but they have a bright, a dim, and a red. And I have about 7 of them. So we're probably just going to put them all up around the camper because it gets super dark here at night. So after we're doing that, we're probably going to cook some dinner. I got some pork chops in the cooler we can cook. I have a little propane grill top. That's what we'll do. We normally don't use the campsite unless I bring the, what do you call that one? The Dutch oven. Yeah. So keep you up to date. So we got some dinner cooking, like that guy on TikTok. It's like 4 o'clock, sun setting. Should be dark around 5. Got my Coleman propane stove. I love this thing. We've used it every time we've gone camping. It uses those the little propane canisters, and haven't had a problem with it yet. I got 4 pork chops, all for me. I'm hungry. And then I got some green beans. I'm gonna take the pork chops out, and then I'm gonna dip this in there and let them, soak in the juices from the pork chops. I think that'll be good. There's like 2 other people in this campsite that holds almost 30 campers. There's one person with a tent over there, and then there's another lady just chilling by herself with like a really sweet, it's like a teardrop A-frame. So I don't know, it's kind of weird how you explain it. It's like the top is 2 pieces and it pops open. We'll do a walk probably tomorrow, and I'll let you guys see it. So we just chilling, just hanging out, ain't we?
Mm-hmm.
So now that we got the pork chops cooked and they're resting, I poured the green beans in there, add a little bit of distilled water, and I'm gonna let them soak and cook for a little bit. And then I might put some rice in there too, if I'm feeling fancy, but got the green beans in, now I just gotta wait on them to boil. So, started with the pork chops. Grease from the pork chop, put the green beans in there, let that boil a little bit. Once that was done cooking to your delight, you go ahead and add your rice. Make sure you got water, because when you boil, steam comes up, which is, vaporized water, so you're going to need extra water. And somehow I put the perfect amount of water and rice. Just a little bit more rice, it would have took up all that water, but nonetheless, it looks great. So we are about to eat. Sun setting. We're gonna eat, get in that tent before it gets too cold. So see you tomorrow. So we got the pork chops. Good thing I got 4 because they shrunk up a lot. Got the rice. That's looking good. I have to let that cool down a minute. That's really hot. Let's try some of the pork chop though. A little chewy. I gotta work on that, but this seasoning we've been using, Blackstone all-purpose seasoning, not a sponsor, but sponsor, please. It's doing pretty good. You can put it on all kind of meat. We've been using it the past 3 times we've gone camping, and then we've also used it at the house. We're like halfway done with it. You don't use a lot. It's very strong, whatever they put in there. It's really good. And we put it on like all the meat just for a quick seasoning, you know. It's doing good. What you say, baby? So I was gonna see if we can try some of this rice. That's hot. Woo! Gotta cool it off. Needs more salt. And probably should have added some more seasoning to it because I'm not getting the crazy seasoning, but you can definitely taste it. And it's definitely better than just plain old white rice. So I'd say for a quick camping meal that I just put together somehow, I'm really happy. You try it. She's camera shy. So we're gonna eat, and then I'll catch you guys later. Good morning, everybody. Day 2 of the camping trip. Last night went pretty good. It got down to what did it get down to, like 30?
I think so.
Got down to like 30 degrees. Luckily we have this like room heater that I found out that I could just lay down as long as I like prop it on my leg, and we stayed super warm, so it was good. It's almost 10 a.m. We're waking up, letting the sun come up because it's cold outside, and we are gonna go run to the Dollar General because we forgot to bring snacks. You gotta have snacks on a camping trip. You gotta have some munchies. So we're gonna do that and then come back and then probably cook some breakfast or something. But stay tuned. Okay, we're back from the grocery store. Let's see what we got. We got the Lifetime cooler. I got some hamburgers we're gonna do for lunch. We got some of these fruit snack cups. Got some ketchup, butter for the baked potato. We're gonna do that for dinner tonight. Steaks. Got some cheese back there. Got some sweet tea. That's my tea right there, boy. Let's see. What dry goods did we get? I got some green beans just because they had like all kind of these bowls for like 50 cents. So I was like, sure, why not? Because these are great for camping. I got some buns for the burgers. Got some chips. Got some chocolate chip cookies. Got some Cheez-Its. Got the baked potatoes. Got 4 of them because they were, what were they, like 50 cents or something? They were around there. They weren't high. It was a good deal. So we're just chilling at the campsite. There's like nobody here. All the big campers are on the other side, and there's about 5 of them all together. And then these are all this is for all the tents, and basically we do have a tent, so there's a weird loophole with that. So we get to stay over here. So just enjoying the day. It's really nice now. There's like no wind. It's supposed to get up in the 60s.
A little bit of a wind.
Yeah, you can see the leaves moving a little bit. There's a little bit of a breeze.
Not as much.
But it's a good breeze, you know. So we're just gonna hang out, and then I'll meet y'all back up at lunchtime. Okay, so we're here at the gift shop at Paris Mountain. We just got time to kill. We're just hanging out. So we're gonna go see what they got in the gift shop. Come on.
So that did used to have a diving board to it, but
Oh,
they
yeah, look
took
at
it
that.
off.
I have a big old tall one. So it had the platform, which is out there.
But they don't have the diving board.
They don't have the
no more.
diving board because probably somebody got hurt and sued them.
Yeah, look how many people they were.
I know. Look at that. Good God. Good God. 1944. It was in
These stone steps were added in 1944.
Wow.
But the swimming area is visible in this area in 1940s.
1940s. Good golly. That's so long.
That was after my crocodile was born. He was born in 1930s.
Yo. See what they got. Hello. Good. How you doing?
Thank you.
Ooh, they got a hat.
Make yourselves at home. If I can help you with anything, I'm happy to.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I hope you didn't come in to warm up. It's cold in here.
No. It's cold everywhere today.
They have all kinds of sauce here.
Oh,
Oh, you can't have it.
ghost pepper. Oh.
That peach sauce.
Oh, they got the bear jam though.
frog jam.
Frog jam. I love that. That's cool.
You can't have the walnut.
Cranberry walnut. They got the wine. That is cool. Stop playing with it.
Maybe I don't want to. Okay, there's your bear.
Yeah.
I'm getting this.
Do you want what?
I'm getting this.
I was gonna look at the stickers. Oh, cool. They got like different colors and stuff. No, we need this one, camping light, or that one. We do not have that kind of trailer. That's an enclosed. We haven't opened. Oh, I like that one. Oh, that's really cool. I don't know which one I like the most.
Like the Paris Mountain State Park.
Nice.
don't like this.
Spoiled. Hmm? Yeah, it's a big old rabbit. I'm gonna get, yeah, I want this one. Put it on the Jeep. So we can...
I've got one of those in my backpack, so I understand. But it's funny, if we don't charge for them, we end up picking them up. And if we charge for
Oh, well,
them,
that sounds.
we don't have to pick them up.
So we just left the gift shop, and the man behind the counter was telling us that these are eco-friendly stuffed animals. They put shredded water bottles inside as stuffing instead of cotton or anything else. So that's pretty cool. So we're actually doing the world a favor. And then I also got some, oh yeah, I gotta do it on this side, don't I? Gotta do some sawdust, fire starters, and then I got the sticker. Apparently these fire starters are made in North Carolina, so you know, small business, whatever. But I think it's just like, I think it's like wax and sawdust or something. But we'll need that for later when we're cooking. So get back in the Jeep and head back to the campsite. So right as you come into the campsite, there's a little turn off that where you can get your own firewood. And the only thing they ask is that you donate. So we're gonna get a couple bundles here for our fire tonight so we can hang out. And that's one of the main perks about coming to Paris. I don't know how many other ones do it, but they chop the wood and everything for you. So we're gonna get some and donate to the park. Day 3. What's up, everybody? So we got the trailer packed up. We about to head to the house. As soon as that sun started setting yesterday, we just got so tired. We didn't even cook dinner. We ended up just eating the rest of them burgers and just going to sleep. And We slept good. It's almost 11 o'clock. And got everything packed up. We cleaned up. Trailer's good. Tent's good. Everything's secure. So we about to head back to the house. Hope y'all enjoyed this adventure. And in a couple weeks, we'll do it again. Later.